Hello, Eric. Hello, Marco. Hi, guys. Hello, team. Hello, Andy. As always, please let me know in the chat if you can hear me. All right. This session is recorded. Hello, Jason. Hello, Andy. Hello, guys. Just need a quick message from you in the chat if you can hear me, if you can see me, and I'll start, as always, with the new features of the week. Perfect. All right, guys. So the session is recording. So let me share the screen as always, and let me start. All right. So the first thing that I want to show you is custom links. All right. So it's now possible to add custom links to your client's menu. And I want to show you the process to add custom links. Basically, for each plan, now there is a new section available, as you can see, custom links. And so you can enable specific custom links for each plan. Later, I'll show you how it will look like in your client's mode. But basically, this is done to let you present to clients in specific plans some links that can redirect to premium services or to some forms, for example, a contact form, or to YouTube videos, whatever. So it's very easy to add custom links. Simply you scroll here and you click Add Custom Link. And for each link, you add the button text and the link. For example, here I've added two custom links. One called Contact Us that can redirect to a form in my website where clients can contact you privately, and also a link to my knowledge base. And I want to show you how it will look like in your client's mode. So basically, this is the gold plan. All right, so I'm enabling these custom links for the gold plan. It means that just clients inside this plan will see the custom links, while clients in the other plans, so clients in the silver plan and in the bronze plan, will not see these custom links. And so, as you can see here, I have a single client in the gold plan, and this is what the client sees. All right. So let me refresh. So we have also a new redesign left bar, much more easier to understand. I'll show you later how it works. But basically, at the bottom of the bar, there is this links button that will open your custom links. And the client who clicks on the link will be redirected in a new tab to the specific link. So we've decided with this custom link feature to also update the left bar, as you can see. So for example, the sections who had a double menu, for example, the request section, now englobe the sub menu inside this drop down menu here. So for example, if I want to go to the send section, I just open the request section and I click on send. So I do not have the double menu here as it was previously. So now the sections are much more bigger than before. So it's much more easy for your clients to see all the elements of the specific section. So we do not have anymore the double menu, but we have a single menu. Also for settings, as you can see here, we open the settings menu here, and this left bar, it's simply, we can simply scroll down and see all the options of the left bar. So super easy. So you just add custom links for specific plans, and links will appear here. And this is very valuable for you because it lets you maybe offer some premium services that clients can get access to via a link, just to clients in premium plans. For example, just clients on the gold plan, like in this case, can see some specific links. So this is the first big feature of the week, which was highly requested. So we had a lot of votes in the in the roadmap, and also there were a lot of posts in the community about it. So this is now live. Second big feature of the week, which was highly requested too, is reminders. All right, so finally we have reminders, and now I want to show you how it works. So we simply go to the template section, and we create a new template. All right, we give a name to the template, as always. We choose the channel of the template, as always, like for example, SMS. We prepare the text of the review request that we want to send to customers. We click on next. And now, as you can see, we have a new step before the last step, which is the preview step, which is the possibility to enable reminder. So this is optional, but for this template here, we want to enable a reminder. We just choose how many days after we want to send the reminder. For example, 4 days after. And then we simply personalize the text of the reminder. For example, we can say, hello name, just a reminder, etc., etc. So we can customize the text of the reminder. We click on next. All right. We have the preview with both the first message that is going to be sent to the customer, and also the reminder, which is going to be sent 4 days after. So basically, we have implemented a tracking system. Basically, 4 days after the first message, we track if the customer click on this review link. If the customer did not click on the review link, of course, we send the reminder to stimulate the customer and to remind the customer to leave the review or the private feedback. Of course, who clicked on the link, on the review link, is not going to receive the reminder. So we just click on save, and the template is saved with the reminder. So basically, when we click on the preview button of a template, if the template has the reminder enabled, we see both the preview of the first message and also of the reminder. I think we'll add a simple icon somewhere here in order to let you easily understand if a particular template has a reminder or not. And then the process of sending review requests is always the same. Of course, when we send a review request via a quick request or via a campaign, and we send a template with the reminder, the customers receive the first message, and then a few days after, the reminder. Of course, if they did not click on the review link. So, of course, we go to send, we click on send now, quick request, for example, SMS. We insert the name, the phone number. All right. And then basically we just select the template. Of course, if this template has the reminder enabled, then customers will receive the first message, and then a few days after, also the reminder. So this is how it works. Super, super easy to set up for your clients. And something very, very important is that reminders by default are disabled on all your plans, because you can enable or disable reminders from your plans. As you can see here, there is a new section called reminders, and maybe you can enable reminders just on the premium plans. And by default, on all your plans from tomorrow, because we're going to do the release tomorrow, reminders are going to be disabled, and you can decide to enable reminders just maybe in your premium plans. When reminders are enabled and your clients already have some templates, of course, for emails and SMS, there is the possibility to edit the template. So we can edit the template and go to add a reminder to that template. While for WhatsApp, since there's no possibility to edit a template, since templates are approved by Meta and we cannot edit an approved template, if your clients want to create a WhatsApp template with the reminder enabled, they have to create a new template. So this new feature will be live tomorrow. We are still in the testing phase. SMS and WhatsApp are working super good. We still have some issues with emails, but the team is working on it, and the goal is to release everything tomorrow. And also, an update that I want to give you is about the knowledge base, so the unbranded knowledge base. So finally, the knowledge base is updated also with new videos related to the new recently added features, like the possibility to add team members. And soon, very, very soon, there will be the possibility to embed the knowledge base inside your client's mode. So as we do with the AI chatbot here, as you can enable the AI chatbot through the this toggle button in the brand section, there will be soon the possibility to enable the unbranded knowledge base inside your client's mode. So you do not need to create custom links. And of course, the knowledge base will be embedded with your font, your colors, and of course, it will get your client's language. All right. So that's all for the features of the week this week. So of course, the two big features are custom links and reminders. And the release is planned for tomorrow. So as always, on Friday, we're going to release these new features. So please ask me anything, as always, in the chat about these new features and also about other questions that you have in mind. And I'm here, of course, as always, to reply to all your questions. So let me open the chat so I can read the first questions. All right. I have the first question from Marco. Is it possible to have platform custom link instead of plan custom link? Knowledge base and contact us are example of platform custom links. So for now, we have decided to implement custom links in this way, so via the custom plan feature. So you can do basically anything. So you can both enable a specific custom links for all your plans, so it's visible on all your clients' plan, or you can add a custom link just for a specific plan. If you want to have a custom link for all your plans, the way to do it right now is basically to add it for all your plans. Um, if it's requested, of course, in the future, if it's highly requested, we'll also add the possibility to add platform links. Something that I did not mention is related to the maximum number of custom links that you can add. For now, is set to 3, I suppose. But of course, let us know in the community if you need to add more. We believe that 3 custom links cover um, your needs. A question from FA. It will be possible to embed knowledge base also inside our house agency website. Yes. So actually, you could already do it. So this knowledge base, as you know, stays in an unbranded domain, knowledgebase.help. So you should be able to embed this page on an iframe and let you embed the knowledge base on your website. But of course, when we'll release the possibility to embed the knowledge base with a single toggle button, we will have also the script code of the knowledge base. So we could also give this script to you. For example, for the AI chatbot, when you enable this, we basically add a script to the client's mode. The script is not visible here, but we could easily give the script to you. So you can also put this AI chatbot not only inside your platform, but also in your website, for example. So yes, so when we add the knowledge base here, I mean the possibility to embed the knowledge base in your client's mode, we could put here a simple button that lets you copy the script code, so you can embed it wherever you want. A question from Eric. Have you discussed sending notification to multiple recipients? Yes. So of course, this is something that we plan to do. It will be done. So I'm not sure about the estimated time, but this is something that we will do. Question from FA. Marco, you can also use an HTML code like Lewis showed us in the community to have a button inside agency. Yes, so there was a post in the community about this. Let me show it to you. I think I've saved it in the community resources. Let me find it here. Add custom link. All right. So there was this post about the possibility to add a custom link in the sidebar through just a copy and paste of this HTML code that you can just copy and paste it here in the custom code section. And this code lets you add in the left menu sidebar a custom link. So feel free to watch this video if you want to add a platform link without setting the custom link for each plan. All right, so other questions. Gary, I would like to set up a new client prior to adding the Google account. I am being prevented until at least one review site must be active. Right now, my client screen shows the location as the title. I would prefer the company name or in addition to the location. Yes. So basically, when a new client on board for the first time, during the onboarding, we ask for the location name, and since the platform features are per location, we save here the location name, so it's easy for your clients to understand which location they are currently managing. And of course, um, you can do everything before setting up Google, because during the onboarding, the Google Business Profile connection is not mandatory. So you can skip the Google Business Profile connection and access to the platform before connecting Google. So you can set up the platform for your clients, like you can set up custom links. Sorry, you can set up review links. You can set up templates. You can test the features of the platform. You can do everything before connecting Google. But of course, the Google business profile connection is necessary to enable the most important features like review replies, like the Google business profile management, like the website features, etc. But you can still use the platform without connecting Google. Question from Sandy. Keep up the good work, Giacomo. Thank you, Sandy. Um, Question about the prospecting tool. So prospecting tool is great. Can we pimp the report? Still boarding, sorry, used to be with graphics and colors. And also, can private reviews be used on website widgets and posted on Google review afterwards? Older audience do not have Google login. So regarding the first question, yes. So as you know, I've done a post in the community a few days ago, I think on Monday, regarding the prospecting tool. Let me find it. Prospecting. All right. So this was the post like 3 days ago, new prospecting tool tutorial, plus we want your feedback. Basically, if you haven't seen this post yet, we've added new features in the prospecting tool. And also, I asked for your feedbacks to improve the tool. I received a lot of comments, so thanks for all the comments. Of course, we're reading all the comments, and we are implementing new features, also thanks to the comments that you posted. So yes, for sure, we will improve the design of the generated reports, and also something that is very, very requested, that of course will be done, is to make the reports printable, because now reports is just a long PDF page, and if you print it, some sections of the reports are like cut. And so we have to redesign a little bit the report so we can print it, and the prospect can read it clearly. So these things will be done for sure. And regarding private reviews, yes. So for local businesses who do not have Google, of course, Google is super crucial to use the platform. So if you are talking with the small local business owners and they do not have a Google business profile, of course it's also your job to help them to create a Google business profile so they can start to be visible on Google. But if they do not want to create a Google business profile, right now there's the possibility to use the review link without the initial filter, so they can collect private feedbacks or video testimonials. As you know, video testimonials can be shown also on widgets and also can be posted on social media. Uh, Private feedbacks currently cannot be posted on social media and also do not appear on widgets. But it's planned to let you also add specific private feedbacks that you collect as positive reviews in widgets and also post them on social media. We have to understand how to do it because we want to separate negative private feedbacks from positive private feedbacks. But this thing was requested by multiple users, so we want to implement it. So even businesses without Google can still use the platform to collect feedbacks and post them on social media and on website. Question from Quincy. Will website V2 allow more manual editing, like adding your own text and choosing which photos appear? Right now, it shows all Google Business Profile photos, including customer photos. Photo selection will make the website feature much more useful. Um, Regarding photos, yes. So we understand that maybe you do not want to show some particular photos in the website, and we totally get it. So in a second version, there will be this possibility to just choose which photos you can show or hide in the website. Regarding the descriptions, I mean, regarding for example, the description of the business and the name and the description of services, if you want to edit them, you have to edit them from the profile section. Let me show it to you. So basically, uh, let's open this website here. All right, let's say that I want to edit this description here. So if I want to edit the description, I have to edit the description that I have in my Google Business Profile. So I have to edit the description here. Why? Because there has to be an 100% match between Google and the website, because Google factored this when creating the ranking. If the Google Business Profile match the content in the website, the business get more, let's say, ranking points. And so we have created this system where basically what is present in Google match the website and also match the schema markup code. So everything is matching. So Google, of course, likes it. All right. So if you want to edit some content here, like the description of services, you have to go to the profile feature. And of course, if you want to add more content, like a new section with maybe a new text and a new description, right now it is not possible. But yeah, maybe in the future there will be the possibility to add a custom section, for example, where you choose, for example, a title, a description, and an image. But right now, the only thing you can edit is just you can enable or disable specific sections. A question from Sandy. Uh, can you click on the review in the widget and does it redirect to the exact Google review in Google and leave your website? Not currently. So right now, review in the widgets do not have a link that redirects to Google, but we can do it. We have the links of the Google review, so we can easily do it. So we can add it as a planned feature. And so yeah, maybe we can add a simple button next to the Google icon that will open the review on the, for example, Google site. So the visitor of the website can also prove that the review was real. All right, so let's go with the other questions. Question from Alvaro. My question is not related to the new release, but my question is related to a multilingual city such as Rome or Berlin. When we have kiosk mode and request reviews, is it possible to have the form in multilingual? Yes. So right now, the review links, so uh, all the text in the review links and also the text in the kiosk mode. If you do not make any edits from the text section, they are automatically translated in the browser language. It means that if a customer visit the review link and the customer has the browser in Italian, for example, the texts are automatically translated in Italian. Right now, if you edit some text, for example, if I edit for example, this title here, so and I edit from this text section. So as you can see, I'm editing this text. So if I edit it, this text is not automatically translated in the browser language. But we have planned the feature where basically even if you edit the text, we automatically translate them in the browser language. Um, and 99% of the time, the user, I mean, the end customer has the browser language in his own language. This is how, for example, also the uh, website works. As you can see in the bottom of the website, there is the menu to select the language of the website. For example, my browser is set in English, and so for example here I have follow us. All right, but all my phones has the browser in Italian. So if I access to this website from my phone, here I do not see follow us, but I see it translated in Italian. And we're going to do the same thing for review links. Question from Quincy. Uh, it will also be great if website V2 becomes a very simple website builder with a mix of what Climbo has now and some of the website option Lewis has, because that will make it much more flexible and useful. Yes. So right now this is a very basic, let's say, website builder. I mean, it's not a builder because you're not building anything. You're basically just connecting your Google business profile and your website is automatically created. As you know, we are building a platform with a goal in mind. And the goal is that the end user, which is the small local business owners, has to simply understand how the platform works in a very intuitive way. So we do not want to add too many technical things that makes the platform complex to use, because if something become complex to use, people are just not using it. So we always have to find let's say a trade-off between keeping the platform super simple, so also non-tech savvy small local business owners can use it, and so a trade-off between simplicity and also between features. So we do not want to make the platform super I mean, we do not to make it complex to use with too many technical things, because we know that small local business owners, if there are too many things, they just do not use the platform, even if the features are great. But yes, the website, of course, is a V1 right now, and it's very basic. There will be much more customizations in the future. A question from Jason. Will it be possible to have a phone version of the connection to Google site? I have a client trying to set up, and he only has a smartphone, no PC or laptop. Yeah, so basically the platform is mobile first. So as you know, you can do everything from mobile. So let me just move it here. I can see you can see easily that you can do everything from the mobile version, right? So super easy to use from mobile. Actually, we built it to be mobile first, so clients can just access from their phone and do everything from their mobile phone. There's no need to use a desktop or a laptop. And this is also something that you can talk about during the, let's say, pitch. Say that you do not need to have a laptop to use the platform. You can do everything from the mobile phone. And the most important thing is that once you set the platform with the integration, once you customize the review link, and once you enable the AI automations, you do not need to manually do things. Everything is automated, and you can just log in and monitor the statistics, the ranking, and the performance in the home section. While there is a review collection process active that collect reviews for you, and AI agents that every week replies to reviews and share the best reviews in the social media and website. A question from Sandy. Giacomo, I mean that the users who fill in the review do not have a Google account to fill out the review. All right. The business does have it, but to fill out the review, you need to log in, right? Yes. Sorry, I misunderstood your question before. So you're talking about the review link. All right. So now once you click on Google, of course, you're redirected to leave the review on Google, and you have to be logged in Google, or you have to log into your Google account to leave the review. And currently here, there is not an option to leave a private feedback. And this will be done. I think I've already planned it in the roadmap. Let me just do a quick check. All right, let me search for private. Exactly. See here, private review on positive experience page. Allow end customers to leave private reviews through the positive experience page of the review link. These private reviews will also be displayed on widgets as positive reviews. So this is already planned, so feel free to vote it so it goes up in the ranking. Question from Quincy. If you are not using the smart experience filter, would it be possible to make the feedback button text editable as well? For example, changing it to something like contact the manager. I think that could be useful, but I believe this is not possible yet. Let me check it, because you're talking about this feature here. So let me go back here to the filter page. Let me deactivate the experience filter. All right. So as you can see, if I deactivate the experience filter, the review link becomes like a neutral page with the links to your review sites, and also the link to leave a private feedback. Quincy, you're asking to edit this text feedback. Let me see if this is possible. Filter page. No, I think this is not currently possible. So we will add this possibility to edit this feedback button. All right. So here you can write anything like contact the manager. So you're right. Question from Sandy. Can the demo client also link to my business domain? When I show it to customers, it has a link with Climbo in it in the browser. All right, let me check this. So basically, the demo client Let me open the demo client. So sorry, let me just go here. All right, now I'm in the demo client. You're saying that the demo client is linking to Climbo domain. No, the demo client is linking to your domain. So basically, you have to, of course, firstly connect a domain, then go to demo client and click on this button here or on view client, and the demo client will be open in a new tab. And there is your domain here, and also there is your logo, and also on widgets there is powered by your logo that redirect to your website.com, so it's fully unbranded. So yeah, the demo client is not redirecting to Climbo. So if you see a brand leakage of Climbo, let us know, but I think maybe you're using the wrong version of the demo client. So again, just go to clients, demo client, and open this link here. And regarding the mobile application course, so we're doing the first 5 apps right now, and currently they are already in the approval process. So we're waiting for Apple and Google to approve them. And once these are approved, because we want to see all the process, if there are technical issues, and once we understand which is the best way for you to create, let's say, the front end of your App Store listing and Google Play Store listing. So the screenshots, the descriptions, keywords, etc. Will publish the course of the mobile apps. So probably during this month, since I guess that's in a few days, we'll have news from Apple and Google if the apps were approved or not. Gary, my demo client is linked to Climbo as well. So please, guys, so do a check. Just, of course, check if your domain is connected. Brand, domain, you should be able to see a green light here. And then go to clients and click on view client. And so the client, the demo client should open on your domain. All right, if you still see that link with climbo.link, please open a ticket, because it should not work like this. Maybe it's a problem related to a month ago. My tech team is telling me just check if your domain is connected. So just go, as I showed before, to brand and domain and see if the domain is connected. Because of course, if you do not connect the domain, the link will keep the Climbo branding. So if you have connected a domain and the demo client still shows the Climbo link, please open a ticket. Question from Marco. Do you have news regarding error on logo that is larger than the available space? Marco, please give me some more details about which logo you're talking about. So if you're talking about the logo of your SaaS, so your logo here, yes, for now, it's whenever you upload the logo, we do not let you increase or decrease the size. But yeah, let me know if you're talking about this logo or other logos, since when you say logo, we have the logo of the agency mode, the logo of the review link, the logo of the profile feature. So we have a lot of logos around the platform. Question from Jason. Credits for report. How do we get more? Also in this case, please, Jason, can you please elaborate more your question? So if you want to generate reports through our prospecting tool, you just need to connect uh, SERP API through the SERP API API key, and also OpenAI through the OpenAI API key. And we do not charge credits. You just use your own API key for generating reports. Question from Sandy. It is connected. No issue with other clients, only the demo client. Yeah, so please open a ticket. Maybe it's an issue related just to specific accounts created a lot of time ago, and we'll fix it as soon as possible. Marco, so you're referring to the logo on top left in the menu bar of the client mode. So your logo here. So you have a logo that is larger than the available size. So for now, the only thing that you can do, maybe you can let's say open maybe a Canva project and just resize the logo inside the Canva project, and you test different versions, and you see which one best fit the platform. This is for now what you can do to resolve your issue instantly, and maybe in the future we'll implement a system where you simply drag an element and you increase or decrease the size of the logo, so it's easier for you to see how the logo appears in your client's mode, and you can increase or decrease the size very, very easily. Jason, I have a red message. I'll check again tonight. Yes. So the prospecting tool is working properly. So please check if your API keys of SERP API, OpenAI, and also any mail finder are working correctly. If you have enough credits in their platforms, everything should work fine. Sandy, I have clicked on verify DNS once again, and the issue is solved. Okay, perfect. So for the others who wrote in the chat that their demo client was in a Climbo domain, just go to brand, domain, and click again on verify DNS, and the demo client will move to your domain automatically. All right. So thanks, Sandy, for letting us know. All right, guys. Thank you very much, Sandy. Thanks for joining, as always. Quick recap of this week features. As I said, the release is planned for tomorrow, Friday. Luckily, the session is recorded, so I will post the video tomorrow. So, firstly, big thing of this week, custom links on plans. So you just go to the specific plan, you scroll down, and there is this custom link section. You click on add custom link, and you simply enter the text of the button and the link. And the link will appear. Sorry, these are demo clients. All right. The link will appear here. There will be a new section called links, and a drop-down menu will open with buttons that redirects to your custom link. This is very, very good because you can add custom links just on premium plans. So allow your premium clients to visit some maybe premium services that you want to sell just to premium clients. And then finally, we have reminders. So request templates. As you can see, I can get this SMS template, and I can edit this template instead of creating a new one. And I can edit also the reminder that I've prepared before. And so with a single toggle button, I can enable a reminder for a template. I set the delay, like 4 days, and customers who do not click on the review link will receive the the reminder. Right now, there is just one reminder, but we want to add two. So very, very soon, there will be a, let's say, a reminder V2 version where you can set also a second reminder. Maybe you can send one reminder like 3 days after and one 7 days after. So you increase the possibility to get reviews. And then, of course, also a new thing that we have this week is the new left bar. So we do not have anymore the double menu, but everything is organized in a single, clean, and intuitive left bar menu. All right, and of course, we have updated the knowledge base with the new videos. We have other features work in progress, as we announced in the post on Monday, like the Google Sheet integration, which unfortunately is still in the approval phase. Of course, it's working 100%, but it's just a matter of waiting Google to approve us. And also, as I showed last week, we are refining the demo clients for categories, and this will also be live soon. Let me see if there are other questions. Alvaro, thank you for for the great work. Thanks, Alvaro, for the kind message. Jason, can we put a Google Meet button to get an onboarding booked in the custom link? Of course. You could also use the free trial banner, this banner here, to redirect clients in the free trial to book a call with you. There was a post in the community a few days ago about it. So what's the best strategy related to the free trial banner? So which link should you put here? And I've suggested two options. So you can put a link that redirects to book a call with you. So you get on a call the user during the free trial, so you can show them the progress that they've done during the free trial, and you explain them that they can get the same results forever just subscribing to the monthly plan. So they understand the fact that they will get the same results that they got during the free trial forever, so they convert into paying clients. So you can put the link to book a call with you here, or also you can put a link that redirects to the billing page directly. Yeah, Google Meet or Calendly, whatever. Last question from Sandy. It will be great if we can inform our customer with a pop-up of the new features, like this one. Can we segmentate the contacts in different groups? I mean, and send them different messages at different times, automated? Great questions. So regarding the first question, yes, this is something that we have already told internally. This is something that it was already live in a previous version of the platform. Basically, we want to let you create announcements for your clients directly from your agency mode. So, for example, every week when we release new feature, you can just go to a section where you kind of create a post with a title and a sub description and maybe a link to a video if you want to record a video. And when your clients log in to the platform, they will see a notification somewhere, and they click on the notification, and they will see your post. And in the post, you say new features of the week, blah blah blah, and you present the new feature. So we want to implement this because right now I've seen that some climbers basically every week when I present the new feature, you just send an email to all your clients saying, hey, these are the new features of the week. And in the email, you describe the new features. That's of course a good way to update your clients about new features right now. But we want to bring this in app. So basically, we want to add somewhere here a notification section, and you can send a notification to your clients. And when you do a post, they also receive the email, but also inside the platform they have the notification. And regarding your second question, can we segment the contacts in different groups? Yes, this is already technically possible in, let's say, in our backend, because when you go to contacts, you see right now that we have these badges, contacted or not contacted. These for us are tags in our database. And we have already implemented the possibility to add more tags. And when you send a campaign, you can just choose the tag list to which you want to send the campaign. As you know, right now, when you send a campaign, you choose if you want to send the campaign to all the contacts or just the contacts with the not contacted tag. In the future, you'll be able to choose a specific list of contacts. For example, if you run a restaurant, I don't know, maybe you can create a list of customers who like vegan. And when you have a new vegan menu, you just send a campaign to customers in that list. And I think also this is something already planned. Let me search, maybe tag. Yes, custom tags list for contacts. Create and assign your own tags to contacts, either manually or via API. These tags will automatically generate dynamic contact lists, allowing you to send campaigns to highly specific segments. So as you can see, it was already requested and it's already planned. And okay, guys. So last question from FA. Do you think to bring back SMS marketing campaigns like it was planned in DropSas? Not in the short term. So in the short term, we want the platform to be used just for review request campaign. So when you create a campaign or when you send a quick request, you can send just one of the added templates. And as you know, when you create a template, you must include the review link inside the template. So the campaign is just a campaign for collecting reviews. So right now there is no plan to allow local businesses to use the platform to send other types of campaign. We want to create an excellent reputation management product first, and then in the future we'll see. Question from Frank. How do we know if the email in the campaign were open or not open? Great question. So we can track this. It's not, of course, in the front end, so you do not see any data related to the fact that the email was open or not open. But right now that we have reminders, we have implemented this tracking system that let us track if a review link was clicked or not. So we want to show you this data to you, and we have to think about how to do it. So for example, if you go to history and you open a particular message, for example, this review request here, we want to add somewhere, for example, somewhere here, for example, the tag clicked or the tag open. So there will be more advanced uh, visuals in the future to let you understand if a message was open or not open, if the link was clicked, not clicked, etc. We are still implementing the systems right now. We want also to let you see more data related to the campaigns sent. So right now, if you send a campaign, you just see the number of contacts inside the campaign, but we want also to show you how many people received the campaign, so the delivery rate, the open rate, the click rate. These are all things that we can do, and down the road this year we will develop them. So everything is possible. All right, guys. Let me see if I have other questions. No, no questions. So thanks, guys, as always, for being here. Um, as always, I will come back to the community probably tomorrow with the recording of the event. Thank you. Very nice as always. It's also very nice for me to come back here every week and announce new features. And so tomorrow I will post this video together with a post that will explain deeper the features of the week. And then we will plan next week. We are still thinking about what we can do next week. We want to start the GEO agent as soon as possible. During this month, we have talked a lot about it internally. We want to create something very, very big that allows your clients to automatically have a super optimized blog inside their website, but also the content generated by the GEO agent will also be posted optionally on social media and also as Google posts. So it's a big thing that we want to do, and we are still thinking if we could do it next week or in 2 weeks. And let's see, we'll take the weekend to think about it. So guys, as always, have an amazing weekend, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.